Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by loading images that give you room to edit, shoot RAW when possible, but high-quality JPEG works too. Once imported, make a working copy and enable the correct color profile so what you see stays consistent. Make sure to back up originals immediately. This protects your source files. Now, quickly flag or rate the best frames and group similar shots. That first sweep saves time later and lets you focus on images with true potential, rather than tinkering with everything. You start the middle process with global corrections. Set exposure, recover highlights, and correct white balance so tones read naturally. Then make local adjustments, paint masks for eyes or skies, use gradients to balance light, and refine edges with feathering. This ensures selective control without damaging textures. Once balanced, apply noise reduction conservatively and sharpen according to final output. Web versus print demand different strengths. Keep checking at 100%. Small tweaks here prevent big problems later. You complete the edit by locking color grading, refining contrast, and cropping to the intended aspect ratio. Straighten horizons and check composition balance. Once satisfied, prepare exports with proper resolution and format. Choose 72 dpi JPEG for web, 300 dpi TIFF or PSD for print, and embed the color profile. If problems occur, troubleshoot quickly. Make sure profiles match target devices. Flatten layers to reduce artifacts, or revert to your working copy and reapply adjustments step by step to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.